What's going on, everybody? We're doing a hard reset today on a Vortex NS65. If you guys watch some of our other videos, just a heads up, we're going to be posting a ton more phones for resets and teardowns. So if there's anything in particular you want to see sooner, just drop a comment and we'll try to get that model up for you sooner than later. And as always, if you could follow, share, like, we'd all appreciate all of that. So before we get into this, just remember that anytime you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone, so keep that in mind when you're doing this. You will delete everything, so if you have anything important on the phone, it's going to be gone. So we have this NS65 here, and it looks like it's got a pattern lock, and we don't know what the pattern is, so we want to turn the phone off first. You have your volume up, down, and power button right there. So we'll hold the power button, turn it off. We'll power it off real quick. Yes, we want to power it off. Once the phone is off, we're going to hold the volume down and power button at the same time. And once the phone is on, you can let go of power, but keep holding the volume down. So I'll just start off by holding the volume down first, and then I'll hold power. Sometimes it takes a second for it to really register and click on. So just, you're not doing anything wrong. It's just the system's trying to recognize what you're trying to do, so you're not just like pocket pushing buttons. So still loading, still loading, still loading. This is where this portion where people get frustrated because nothing's doing. Oh, there we go. It's on. So let's go power. And it brings us to this no command screen. To get out of this, we need to push power and volume up. And usually the easiest way to do it, I just hold power and then tap volume up. But just try to let go really quick, otherwise it's going to recognize that you're trying to reboot the system and you'll have to start over again. You use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button, scroll some more to confirm. Oh. There we go. Now it's resetting, it's all done, and then we'll hit the power button to restart the phone, and now all the data is deleted. And that is how you do a hard reset on a Vortex NS65. If you guys have any questions, comments, we'd love to hear it. Otherwise, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.